Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, The Megafires of California. First 1 to 6 questions are to complete the notes. It is about wildfires. Firstly, in these questions, it is talking about characteristics of wildfires conditions today compared to the past. Occurrence is more frequent, temperature is hotter, speed is fast, it is more unpredictable. Let's see in the paragraph for the first question. The wildfires themselves, experts say, are generally hotter, faster and spread more erratically than in the past. Its answer is, spread. Next question is, size of fires, is greater on average than 2 decades. Let's see in the paragraph. Megafires, also called siege fires, are the increasingly frequent blazes that burn 500,000 acres or more, 10 times the size of the average forest fire of 20 years ago. Its answer is, 10 times. Next question is, reasons wildfires cause more damage today compared to the past. Rainfall is average. Let's see in the paragraph. One explanation for the trend to more superhot fires is that the region, which usually has dry summers, has had significantly below normal precipitation in many recent years. Its answer is, below. Next question is, more brush to act as dash. Let's see in the paragraph. The unintentional consequence has been to halt the natural eradication of underbrush, now the primary fuel for megafires. Its answer is, fuel. Next question is, increase in yearly temperature. Extended fire dash. Let's see in the paragraph. Second is fire seasons that on average are 78 days longer than they were 20 years ago. So its answer is, seasons. Next question is, more building of dash in vulnerable places. Sensitive places में कौन सी चीज ज्यादा होती है? Let's see in the paragraph. Third is increased construction of homes in wooded areas. So its answer is, homes. Next 7 to 13 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, the amount of open space in California has diminished over the last 10 years. पिछले 10 सालों में कैलिफोर्निया में open space का area कम हो गया है. Let's see in the paragraph. In California, where population growth has averaged more than 6 lakh a year for at least a decade, more residential housing is being built. और ज़्यादा घर बन गए हैं. So its answer is, true. Next question is, many experts believe California has made little progress in readying itself to fight fire. California ने खुद को फायर के अगेंस्ट लड़ने के लिए थोड़ा बहुत रेडी किया है. Let's see in the paragraph. That said, many experts give California high marks for making progress on preparedness in recent years. High marks means they are fully ready, so its answer is false. Next question is, personnel in the past have been criticized for mishandling fire containment. Past में जो personnel होते थे, वो fire containment को mishandling के लिए criticize हुए थे. Let's see in the paragraph. Stung in the past by criticism of bungling that allowed fires to spread when they might have been contained, personnel are meeting the peculiar challenges of neighborhood and canyon hopping fires better than previously, observers say. Same statement, therefore its answer is true. Next question is, California has replaced a range of firefighting tools. California ने firefighting tools को replace किया है. Let's see in the paragraph. State promises to provide more up-to-date engines, planes, and helicopter to fight fires have been fulfilled. उनके tools up-to-date हैं, so its answer is true. Next question is, not given. Next to that is, citizens and government groups disapprove of the efforts of different states and agencies working together. जो different states and agencies एक साथ मिलकर efforts कर रहे थे, उसे citizens and government groups ने disapprove किया है. Let's see in the paragraph. After a commission examined and revamped communications procedures, the statewide response has become far more professional and responsive, he says. There is a sense among both government officials and residents that the speed, dedication and coordination of firefighters from several states and jurisdiction are resulting in greater efficiency than in past siege fire situation. So question is saying disapprove किया, but answer is saying appreciate किया है. So its answer is false. Next question is, Randy Jacobs believes that loss of life from fires will continue at the same levels, despite changes made. Randy Jacobs कहते हैं कि भले ही काफ़ी चेंजेस हुए हैं, जो फायर से लाइफ का लॉस है वो सेम रहेगा. Let's see in the paragraph. Randy Jacobs, a Southern California-based lawyer who has had to evacuate both his home and business to escape wildfires. Notwithstanding all the damage that will continue to be caused by wildfires, we will no longer suffer the loss of life endured in the past because of the fire prevention and firefighting measures that have been put in place, he says. वो कहते कि हम फ्यूचर में इस लॉस को और नहीं सहेंगे फायर फाइटिंग मेजर्स की वजह से. So its answer is false. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.